Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious Italian beef sandwich, so let's get started with the video. In a small bowl, add 1 tablespoon of seasoned salt and 1/2 tablespoon of pepper. Mix everything together and then set it to the side. Take out around 3 pounds of chuck roast and then season it with your salt and pepper mixture. When you finish seasoning your chuck roast, cut it into chunks. After cutting up your chuck roast, set your Instant Pot to saute. You want it to be on the highest temperature, so click saute again so that the setting is on more. Then add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Once the pot is hot, place your chuck roast in the pan and sear it for about 1 to 2 minutes on each side. When you finish searing all of your chuck roast, set it to the side. Next, add Louie's Italian beef seasoning and 1½ cups of water. Mix the seasoning in with the water until well combined. Then add a bit of your seasoning mixture into the pot. Then use a spatula or a wooden spoon to deglaze the bottom of the pot. Once you deglaze the bottom of the pot, go ahead and add the rest of your seasoning mixture. Next, add your chuck roast back into the pot. Then add 1/2 jar of pepperoncini peppers, or the whole jar, it really depends on how spicy you want it, and enough water to cover the chuck roast. I believe I only need to add about 2 or 3 more cups of water. Close the lid and then set your Instant Pot to pressure cook for 50 minutes. After the 50 minutes, do a natural release for 10 to 15. Then unseal the vent and remove the lid. Next, take out your chuck roast and place it on a cutting board. Next, shred the beef. The meat is going to be super tender, so it's going to be really easy to shred. When you're finished shredding the beef, place it back into the pot. Next, we're going to prepare our bread for the sandwich. Take a piece of French bread and cut it on the side down the middle. Open it up without breaking it in half, and then brush some butter on the inside of your bread. Then toast the bread in the oven. After toasting your bread, add your beef to the sandwich. Then add 2 slices of provolone cheese or mozzarella cheese. Place your sandwich in the oven again to melt the cheese, and after the cheese is melted, add some giardiniera to your sandwich and you are all finished. I really like giardiniera, so I put a lot on my sandwich. And this is the finished result. I already know this isn't a traditional Italian beef sandwich. A traditional Italian beef sandwich uses round top or bottom roast cut into thin slices, and unlike my version, they don't toast the bread or add cheese, unless it's requested. And I'm pretty sure they soak the whole sandwich in the juices as well. Even though my version isn't the traditional kind, it's really easy to make and super delicious. The beef is packed full of flavor, the giardiniera is top notch, and the French bread was buttery and perfectly toasted. Seriously, I ate like 3 of these sandwiches, and I would make it again. I totally recommend giving this a try. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!